couple things already. One, I need a new skill saw blade because that one's mighty dull. And two, ash is a lot harder than I would have ever thought it would be. I've never worked with it before, and it is definitely a hardwood. Okay, so what I did was basically cut them down to length here, got them down to 16, which is something I can pass through my thickness planer, and then I took one of the live edges off so that I can get them jointed a little bit easier with no problems, and then I can bring them back to the table saw to get them down to the proper width. And that is it for right now. I will be back with another video that's going to show the milling process, hopefully soon. Take care.